Hi guys, I seem to have a bit of a theme going here. It wasn't intended to be. I've been opening cans with different can openers. Bought this one the other day and it works absolutely fine. But one of the discussions were, obviously you've got these ones that have ring pulls on them now. So you don't need a can opener at all. But I was looking at this can. It's got the narrower end so you can stack it. But I also noticed it doesn't have a seam. I don't know if we can actually see that on this camera, but there's no visible seam. Not like there's a folded over seam around the top where they put the top on and then the machine turns it round to seal it all the way around. Well, the other ones I've looked at have a similar thing on the bottom, but this one doesn't. It looks like it's punched out of a single piece of tin or whatever metal it is, and formed in one go, because I cannot see a seam there. Anyway, what I want to do, I established I could open it this way round on another tin like this. I just want to see if I can open it inside with this funny shape. And the answer is, I can't even get into it. Oh dear. We're in. All right. Get the impression it's a thicker bit of metal. And we're struggling. And it's going. We seem to have got going now. There's no reason for doing this other than I just want to see if it could be done. I don't intend to open ring pull cans on the bottom the hard way. But yeah, we did it eventually, but that was harder than expected. Interesting. And as I say, I can't figure out how they join them. It does look like it's folded out of a single sheet, or punched out of a single sheet, moulded. I can't see a seam at all. Oh well, there you go. I'll try not to do any more videos about can opening, but that just caught my eye that it was different again. So many things have happened to tin cans that I didn't know about.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.